Even I used to think that success was all about finding a way around my ego. But then I realized that removing the ego altogether is the key to unlocking true success. It's like trying to drive down a road with a huge boulder blocking your path. You can either waste time and energy trying to find a detour, or you can simply remove the obstacle and clear the way forward. Imagine your ego as that boulder, weighing you down and holding you back from reaching your full potential. It's that voice in your head telling you that you're not good enough, that you don't deserve success, or that you're better than everyone else. But here's the truth, your ego is not your amigo when it comes to success. If you want to make it in this world, you've got to check your ego at the door. Remove the self-doubt, the need for validation, and the fear of failure. Embrace humility, authenticity, and a growth mindset instead. That's where the magic happens. Don't waste your time trying to work around your ego. Instead, invest your time and energy in mastering yourself. Challenge your beliefs, face your fears, and strive for personal growth every day. Success is not about how high your ego soars, it's about how deep your roots grow. Yes, how deep roots grow. So, ask yourself, which is easier, finding a way around your ego or removing it altogether? The answer is clear. It's time to let go of the ego and pave your path to success. Thanks for watching the entire video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the King's Exploits channel. Your honest feedback is important to us. Thank you and have a great day.